that shit. Wait. Good.
Yeah!
Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I cannot believe that one. Yeah!
Yeah!
First meters right there. Good Lord. That is crazy.
So it is the last turkey trip of the year. We're driving up to Minnesota right now. Gonna be hunting with some friends up there. It's gonna be a fun couple days. They got a lot of turkeys up there. We hunted there last year. So we know there's a bunch of turkeys up there. Should be a fun time and a fairly action-packed video. So got 13 hours on the road today, driving solo, so let's get it.
We got a nice episode of, we got some Mother's Day stuff. We're gonna get into a little bit of light news.
Doing it, yeah. These 3.5 TSS? Yeah. Oh yeah. We don't get. They don't.
Alright, so we just got out here. We, about 300 yards from the truck, we heard him from the truck, so we slipped up here and he's like, not that far. Probably, 150 yards, so we're gonna try to get set up and see if we can get on him.
We might as well go up a little bit and put our decoys out in the field. Yeah. See if we can get them to come through the fence row.
Yeah, let's go up.
If we can get the flock fired up, we might be in business.
Yeah.
He's not very far.
Is that him?
That was on way to the right.
Is that a different
That
one?
was a different one. What you heard is not one over here.
I heard one. I wasn't quite sure if it was the same one.
Right, so we just got set up here and then he shut up, so we weren't sure where he got to. Now he's gobbling like further away, but sounds like he might be getting a little closer. We're just gonna sit here a little bit and see what he does. Hopefully he'll pop before they sail and see our decoys come in. Amen. But he's gobbling pretty decent now. But my foot is sleeping, so that is not good.
After sitting in this spot for a little while, we confirmed that the bird we were on was working away over the ridge, so we got up to make a move on him. Setup number one was a bus this morning. We heard him gobbling off the roost. He ended up having a bunch of hens and they kind of worked off the opposite way. So it's still pretty early. It's almost 7 o'clock. So now we're just gonna hop in the truck, drive around and look for turkeys in fields and we'll go make a play on them. Just down the road from where we had been parked, we came across the group of turkeys that we had just been working and they were headed way out across an open field. We made a massive loop and came in from the other side to try to cut them off.
I didn't, but it looked like a tunnel.
Yeah, it was.
crazy though, they were right there. Right there.
The turkeys didn't like the situation, and then Tom never presented itself with a clean shot, so we headed back to the truck to try to find some birds that were willing to play.
Dude, we just drove past and there's like turkeys right there where we can hunt. We're gonna go get them. Are we gonna reap them?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Everybody right here. Just sit and call.
Let's get out there and put our decoys out and call a little bit. She's straight. His head is so white. He's in full strut, but he doesn't have a tail fan.
He had a tail fin. Surely.
I'd be wet.
What? Shall we just crawl out here?
Hey, dude, he's right here. He's right here. He's right here. He's right here. It's a different one. He's right here. He's right here. No, I'm good. Pick it up just a little bit. Okay, yeah. Yeah, right there. Do you see it? Yeah, right there. I see his fin. Yeah. Everybody stay low. Yeah. I got it off. Shush. Should I shoot it?
How far is
He'll come.
60. Keep shooting. Alright, but we want to close it again. Just shoot it.
Shake it a little bit.
I would. I think we're good. Yeah. Next chance, just take it.
Should I shoot him?
Wait. Are you
He's
good?
good.
Hey, is there still another one? Or not?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Dude, let's go. That was sick.
Let's go show
I
that.
think I finally got that kill shot I was looking for. Strutting up on top of the hill. I was hoping he would come the whole way over and just strut.
I know. I was wanting to wait for him, but I was starting to get worried that he was
Yeah, especially when he turned a little bit and strut to the side.
Yeah, he was gonna start swinging.
Let's go look at the turkey.
I gotta find my phone.
Yes.
Yeah.
What was with you saying he had no tail fin?
It was a different bird.
Was
It
it?
wasn't strutting.
2-year-old, probably. Yes, sir.
Probably one of those last
Oh,
year
he's got
jigs.
weight.
He's got speckled tail fin.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
I almost remember.
But that's awesome.
That is a big, thick beard.
That's a
Rope and a half. I've never seen a beard like that.
I've never killed one like that either.
That is insane.
Hey, good shot.
Thanks. Thanks.
Yeah, buddy. Go.
First morning, that did not take too long.
Drove past, seen him strutting out here. I mean, he come right in. Knocked him down good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It is. I've never killed a bird with this big a beard.
All right, so Kenton shot his bird this morning, and last year when we hunted up here, we killed birds in the morning, and then we just got depressed trying to chase birds the rest of the day. And Kenlin would really like to do a morning hunt yet, so we decided to, instead of turkey hunting the rest of the day, came out here to the lake on the boat, and so we're gonna spend the next couple hours fishing, enjoying the nice weather, and it's about to be a good time. So let's get to fishing. And there's the drone right there. That's a good fish.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey.
See that face?
Yeah, gotta help coming and even.
Drop the camera.
The smaller one.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Solid fish. All right, so we just finished up fishing for today. Ended up catching, I think 7 fish. Yeah, didn't really film a lot of it. Just out here having a good time. Weather was perfect, so it was fun. We came out here to a spot that always has on. Actually, where Kenton killed yesterday. So we sat in here on the edge of this woods, and there's something yelping. Sounds kind of raspy, so it might be a jake, but something yelping like within probably 60 yards of where we're at right now. So got the decoys out here, put the 360 camera out by the decoys, hoping to get some cool footage. So fingers crossed it'll work out this morning. So it's about 9 o'clock now. This morning we ended up having a group of jakes come in. They never came all the way in. I don't think he was able to get any footage of them, but yeah, they kind of worked off. And then the gobblers were on the other side of the woods where we can't hunt. So we came back to the truck, drove around for a while. Didn't find any turkeys that we could kill, so now we're back here at the original spot. And this was kind of our plan all along. We're gonna probably set up in the pasture where Kenton killed yesterday, and just kind of play a little bit of a long-term move, and just hopefully they'll move through at some point. So I'm ready to kill. We're all tired because we didn't sleep much last night or the night before. So hopefully it'll come together because I need to sleep. So it's about 3 o'clock now, and we ended up taking naps for a little while this afternoon because we're tired. But we came out here to a property that one of the other guys from around here let us hunt. There's one that's gobbling not too far from the road. It's in a pasture. We're gonna try to work around and get a play on him. So hopefully he keeps gobbling and we can get a shot at him to the thick stuff. So this is gonna be more of a traditional hunt rather than a reap, probably, but see if we can get him. We just walked in here and he's called. We decided to stop here and call, and he's probably 100 yards away, so not a great setup, but hopefully he'll come in. He's a ways out there. He's further left. That's it. Let's go to the right and we can get up to that tree there.
Up to there and then get up to there.
So what if we just put a hen out right here and then just try to yelp at him?
We don't have a hand.
Oh, we don't. I thought we had the goods.
Yeah, there's hands.
Is he with the hens?
I don't see him. I see two kids.
Yep.
If he's with him, I'm just gonna have to go reap him.
Dude, he's right there. Oh my word.
He's right there. He's dead in the chest.
Got him! Shoo! Boom, baby! I just smoked that thing. Literally 20 yards right there. Snuck all the way up here with the Reaper. Smacked him, dude. Oh my goodness. Could you see him?
Yeah.
Let's go. He gobbled, and I thought he was still super far away. Like, it sounded when he gobbled at 20, he sounded like he was like 70 yards away.
Really?
And then all of a sudden I put my fan up a little bit and I'm like, I see him right there. That's crazy. Dude, I dumped him. Dude, that was sick. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
He's a nice bird. Let's
a
go.
nice bird.
Come on.
That's what I thought too. And I shot and then I stood up and I'm like, oh, there's a bunch of heads.
Wait.
Oh, that TSS took him out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's out. Let's go.
Yeah.
I tore him up. It was like a 20-yard shot. Yeah. All of a sudden I poked up and I saw the fan. I was like, oh, here we go. He like looked.
All of a sudden I seen his fan come up and I was like,
The only other time I killed was at Miriam's this year.
We would have never got him if we had stayed there.
Stayed there, yeah. Because he had the hens.
Yeah.
Oh, this one also has that same.
Yeah, I know. I saw that.
That's cool. He looks so nice just up there strutting. So nice.
Yeah,
That TSS sure did a number.
that's your first Eastern.
First Eastern Tom, yeah.
Let's go.
It's just crazy. All right, so we had a very successful day. Ended up being able to reap this turkey. The other guy stayed across the field and watched as I was able to crawl across the field behind the decoy and ended up smacking him at like 20 yards. So super successful day. Huge shout out to the Yoder family for letting us come out here and hunt these properties and guiding. So we're gonna go spend the rest of the evening fishing and hanging out, and thank you all for watching. Cheers.